Secured by Design accreditation is only available on Garador steel up and over garage doors, currently in Horizon and Carlton styles. These doors feature 8 door braces rather than 2 on the rear of the door for extra strength. They also have additional steel plates fitted to the base of the door to protect bottom locking points. The locking systems have also been upgraded, with a new anti-snap cylinder on the lock itself and a steel plate to protect the lock body. These doors can be supplied in a choice of any one of 7 standard colours, with either canopy or retractable gearing. These doors are available in a range of standard and purpose-made sizes. Please visit the Garador website for details of the full Garador product range.